The excavator should come today. I'm just waiting for him now, and 3 hours later I'm still waiting for the excavator guy. Kind of normal in Montenegro, they either are late or they don't come at all sometimes. And I waited 5 hours now, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna have a nice big bar at the first floor. On top will be a second floor, which I'm gonna use myself to live in first.
The excavator eventually arrived and we could start working on the small ruin. More on that in one of the upcoming videos.
So, I'm cleaning up my future outdoor gym area over here. It's full of thorns hanging in the bush. Cleared off most of it now, so the tree should be able to grow better again. I think this will be a really nice corner actually, because you can stand here at the border and have a view on the sea with the sunset. And maybe put your laptop here and work a little bit. Next task is the stone wall just behind the little path, which collapsed quite a bit. We're going to try to rebuild that by hand. I just saw a really cool butterfly about this size. Looks like two little eyes on the back of the wings, a brown one. I'm not sure which kind of butterfly it is. Maybe you know, let me know in the comments. And my stone wall is getting there slowly. Kind of looks like a stone wall again. And I'm just gonna dig out a bit of the soil because I would like to have a flower bed or maybe some fruits growing here on top. That would also create kind of like a natural barrier, so people are using this new path that I made. So my next project is to clean up this wall over here, just make some more space to sit next to the wall. And also this area has a really nice view. This will be a really nice spot when it's ready because we got a few really nice big trees around, so it's going to be very nice and shady here. For this one especially. Pretty happy with the results so far. Still got quite a bit of earth to dig through because I want to put a bench here right in front of the wall, and I can plant some more stuff on the top of the wall. And then there's all of this part. Every single stone wall takes a week or so, but it's a really good workout and it's super fun to just work on these things. And it's crazy how everything is growing here after a bit of rain again. So I'm back here at the wall that I started to rebuild here over on this side, and now I've got a lot of small rocks that I want to get rid of. And now the big challenge is to raise the lower wall about 1 meter actually. And then I can fill it up with all of these small rocks here, so I can extend the area. So I'll have like 3-4 more rows of stone, and then I will fill up with soil. So much fun to dig out all the stuff here. Found these nice looking old dead tree logs in the bush over there. I guess it's kind of an artwork now. I'm kind of running out of soil to put over into my little hole. Transport that in these buckets manually by hand because the wheelbarrow path is blocked by the construction site. It's just so nice to walk here. There's a breeze, it's so shady. I'm gonna put a football kicker here later and a little barbecue grill and some tables, so we can use this summer already. Yeah, the views are just amazing from here. I'm so happy and so grateful that I can do this. for the fire, I put 5 little piles because I want to have a fire burning along the whole wall. Gonna enjoy the sunset while we take care of the fire. Enjoy this amazing area here, it's so nice. Perfect that I can burn them right here because that's where I want the ash in the end. And after that I can just put some soil, maybe that much of soil, and I think I'm good to grow some bushes, some small ones. No trees, of course, here. It's also the end for the video because we have a lot of footage already from the garden cleanup here. There's gonna be much more of that, but I'm probably not gonna film everything because it probably will get a bit too boring for you guys at some point. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any cool ideas for the place that I didn't think of yet. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye. You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.